My dear boys and girls, today's topic is another formal letter and letter number 4. And this video is being made for the Madhyamik examinees, higher secondary examinees of West Bengal Council, CBSE, ICSE, graduation, and also for the competitive exams like WBCS and PSC. Okay, this type of formal letter is very common even in WBCS exam. However, my video is for the students of all categories. So, before starting my video or before entering the content, I must request all of you that please subscribe my channel, like it and share it if you like my video. If there is any content, if there is any material, and if you like it, you must subscribe it, share it and like it. Okay? And finally, I will not repeat it. However, today's topic is formal letter number 4. Suppose waterlogging is a problem in your area. People face inconveniences after a rainfall, especially during the rainy season. Now, write a letter to the authorities concerned to take preventive measures and solve the problem. Okay? I am not using bilingual method because bilingual method disturbs the mental setup of the examinees or students, and they spoil the children or my students because they will not be able to grasp English, to speak fluently or to write fluently. If you stumble over any new word, please consult a dictionary and you will get its meaning. Advanced Learners Dictionary. However, I am entering the content. As usual, you know that in the formal letter, you will have to write your own address from which you are writing the letter. For example, Krishnagor, Anantahari Mitra Road, comma, post Krishnagor, Dishnodiya. Okay? You may give the date too here. For example, the 27th October 2021. It is called formal letter because you will have to maintain some formalities while writing an official letter or a formal letter. And this is why it is called a formal letter. What have I told you? I have already told you that you must give a subject. Now I give the subject. Now you first write down to whom you are writing the letter. Suppose you are writing the letter to the chairman of the municipality. To the chairman comma, don't put the comma after to, give the comma after chairman. Krishnagar municipality, in case of Kolkata, you will write ward number, etc. Krishnagar municipality, post Krishnagar, district Nadia, etc. Full stop. Now give the subject. What is the subject? You can remember water logging. Water logging in the town or city. Full stop. This is the subject and this is called the declaration of the subject. Clear? So, first of all, you will have to write your own address from which you are writing the letter, then address to whom you are writing the letter, then the declaration of the subject, and now the content of the letter. Okay? Sir. Okay? Put a comma, give a comma. With reference to above, I on behalf of I on behalf of the inhabitants that means dwellers, inhabitants of Krishnagor, comma, Nadia, beg to draw your kind attention Now I shall have to clear the portion. Okay? With reference to above, I, on behalf of the inhabitants of Krishnagor, Nadia, beg to draw your kind attention to the inconveniences, that means difficulties or problems or troubles, inconveniences kind attention to the inconveniences of The people of Krishnagore caused by waterlogging caused by waterlogging, especially means particularly, especially during the rainy season. During the rainy season. So, this is the first sentence and this is the content of the letter. You see that within the first sentence, I have expressed all my grievances. With reference to above, I, on behalf of the inhabitants of Krishnagore, Nadia, beg to draw your kind attention to the inconveniences. I am repeating, inconveniences means difficulties or problems, etc. Inconveniences of the people of Krishnagore caused by waterlogging, especially during the rainy season. Full stop. After a shower of rain, most of the roads go under rainwater. Most of the roads go under rainwater. And people of the town wade through knee-deep water, which is actually filthy water, that means dirty water. Filthy water, which is actually filthy water, as all the drains overflow. Now look at the sentence. After a shower of rain, most of the roads go under rainwater, and people of the town wade through knee-deep water, which is actually filthy water, that is dirty water, as all the drains overflow. Full stop. The age-old drainage system, the age-old drainage system has not been renovated. That means made newly, has not been renovated, that means has not been repaired, renovated for a long time, full stop. Polypacks, wastes, silt, and sewage have blocked the I am clearing the upper portion. Have blocked the drains. Full stop. The office goers the general commuters and the school going children face a tremendous problem during the rainy season. Full stop. Okay? Now I am coming to the concluding part. In this connection, I beg to state that we are the regular taxpayers. We are the regular taxpayers and we are tired of knocking at KNOCKING, knocking at the door of the municipality. Full stop. Okay? Last paragraph. In the circumstances That means in this situation, in the circumstances, I request you to look into the matter immediately I request you to look into the matter immediately so that we may not face any trouble in future. Full stop. In the circumstances, I request you to look into the matter immediately so that we may not face any trouble in future. Yours faithfully, S. Boiragi, ward number 14, Krishnagar, Nadia. Okay? As you have given the date, as you have given the address at the right hand corner, in the beginning of the letter, you should not give here date, etc. Okay, this is another type of formal letter. I am giving you various types of formal letters, various types of formal letters and the methods of writing formal letters. Okay, so if there is any content, don't try to skip any line because it has been written for the examination purpose. And if you skip, you won't be able to understand the matter or the content. So therefore I request all of you to watch the video from the very beginning to the end, because I have not talked rubbish from the very beginning. From the very beginning, I have started writing the letter. Thank you very much. Good night. Though I should not remind you, again I remind you to subscribe my channel, to like it and to share it so that I may be enthused to give you more important questions and answers for your exam. Thanking all of you. Good night.